I'm going to kick it off. GameStop, the electronic game store company, coming out with earnings this morning that beat estimates. Sales forecast for the next quarter below consensus. So you've had a little bit of push and pull for the shares so far in the pre-market. Dom.
Yeah, number 9 on technology. Applied Materials, the chip-making equipment company, is trading lower in the pre-market after being cut at Susquehanna and Credit Agricole. The company may miss fourth quarter projections as customers who slow down expansion plans really weigh on that stock. So watch Applied Materials. Josh, off to you.
Number 8, Best Buy. Richard Schultz, founder of the electronic retailer, has requested that the board give him the green light to form a group to take the electronics retailer private. Share prices higher in the pre-market, Deirdre.
All right, number 7, HSBC and Credit Suisse, just two of the banks that are handing over employee names to U.S. authorities. The firms are seeking leniency for their alleged role in helping American clients evade taxes. One Swiss lawyer calls the move an unprecedented privacy violation. Mike.
Electronic Arts. They make the Madden NFL game and Sim City. They've been approached by the private equity firms KKR and Providence, according to the New York Post. Newspaper says EA willing to be sold for $20 a share, which is more than a 50% premium on yesterday's closing price. Josh?
Number 5 is Sears. The retailer controlled by Eddie Lampert reported a second quarter loss that was narrower than analysts estimated as inventory management expenses were reduced, increasing the company's gross margin. Deirdre.
All right, number 4, Cisco, the telecom giant, releasing quarterly earnings after the bell yesterday. It beats earnings and sales estimates. We're going to get an inside look at what's going on in the company. The CEO, John Chambers, is going to be with us in just a few moments. Dom.
Yeah, number 3, from technology to financials, JPMorgan, the bank, is just one of 7 financial institutions that receive subpoenas as New York and Connecticut investigate the alleged manipulation of LIBOR. Remember, that's the interest rate market, according to a person familiar with the matter. So watch the big banks there. Mike.
Well, number 2 is Wal-Mart, the discount store, reporting earnings this morning, beating earnings per share estimates by a penny, but sales fell short of analyst estimates. The company also under investigation by lawmakers for alleged corruption, tax evasion, and money laundering. Shares trading lower in the pre-market. Deirdre.
And number 1, Michael, thank you, is Facebook. Already struggling shares of the social networking company could face even more downward pressure today. 270 million shares are freed up, boosting the number of tradable shares by 60%.